Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Prudent gets Congress Party's probable candidate list: 4 Alemaus, 2 Ranes, 2 Monserrats, 2 Madkaikars and Ravi and his son Ritesh Naik dominate the list. Monserrat's figure in Santa Cruz as well as Talegaon. Goa Vikas Party Supremo Miki Pacheco says that none of his family members will contest on GVP ticket. Finalizes 33 candidates, declares his plans for North Goa. More than 1 lakh tourists visit Goa for New Year celebrations. Domestic tourists dominate the chart. Thousands of Russian tourists to arrive in Goa for Russian New Year on 5th January. Over in sports, Mapsa-based St. Brito High School win Goa leg of Mahindra Youth Football Challenge. St. Brito's defeat Marina English High School in a gripping tiebreaker. And Geno Sports Awards return after a 2-year gap. Genevieve DaCosta and Nahan Acharya among 10 to be felicitated for outstanding performances. And now the news in detail. Prudent has got access to the first list of probable candidates sent to the screening committee of the Congress Party. The list clearly signifies that the Congress has decided to accommodate family members of their leaders if they are winning candidates. The first list carries 4 Alemaus, 2 Ranes, 2 Monserrats, 2 Madkaikars and Ravi and his son Ritesh Naik. All in all, it seems a grand family affair.
Prudent has exclusively accessed the first list of probables prepared by the Congress Party. The list surprisingly advocates rise of dynasty politics in Goa. The name clearly indicates the winnability is the only criteria followed during shortlisting. Alemaus, Churchill, Joki, Valanka and Yuri. Monserrats, Babush and Jennifer. Ranes, Pratap Singh and Vishwajit. Naiks, Ravi and Ritesh. Madkaikars, Pandurang and Dhaku. Here are the constituencies with single claimants. Pedne, Babu Asgaonkar. Kalangut, Agnel Fernandez. Aldon, Dayanand Narvekar. Pariye, Pratap Singh Rane. Sant Andre, Francis Silver. Kumarzua, Pandurang Madkaikar. Fonda, Ravi Naik. Shiroda, Subhash Shirodkar. Madgaon, Digambar Kamath. Nuve, Alex Sequeira. Banaule, Valanka Alemao. Naveli, Churchill Alemao. Kukadi, Joki Alemao. Kepe, Babu Kawalekar. Daboli, Movin Gudino. The constituencies which can create tricky situation for the Congress are following: Babi Bakkar, Dayanand Sopte. Bicholi, Naresh Sawar and Rajesh Patnekar are the contenders. For Panji, Surendra Furtad, Somnath Zuarkar and Arthur Sequeira are the contenders. Santa Cruz, Victoria Fernandez, Rudolf Fernandez, Babush Monserrat, Jennifer Monserrat are the contenders. Talegaon, Babush Monserrat, Jennifer Monserrat. Sange, Yuri Alemao, Mingelin Costa, Revan Siddhanaik. Kudchane, Sham Sadardekar, Dominic Fernandez, Manohar Naik. Kankon, Isidore Fernandez, Daya Pagi and Sanjay Bandekar. Murgaon, Sankalp Amodkar, Saifullah Khan, Nitin Chopdekar. And for Prior, Dhaku Madkaikar and Kanta Gowde are the contenders. Sources say that AICC President Sonia Gandhi will take final call on the disputed constituencies. Screening committee will further shortlist the names. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa Vikas Party chief Miki Pacheco has said that he does not believe in dynasty politics and none of his family members will contest on a GVP ticket. Pacheco has indicated about his alliance with regional parties. Miki has till now finalized 33 candidates. He has also revealed his plans for North Goa in our weekly program Head On.
तुगे फॅमिलीतलो कोण फुडें राजकारणाक येवचो ना म्हणून गॅरंटी दिवपाक शकता?
मुगे हाय तुमचो लागतले
वियोला मिसेस वियोला पाशिको आयज पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आहा पूण तेच मत ना बाबा आपण इलेक्शना बसपाक ते इलेक्शना बसपाक येवना
मंत्री जावपा जाय
ना म्हाका मुखेलमंत्री जावपा नाका आय एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड फॉर दॅट चेअर एट ऑल म्हाका मुखेलमंत्री नाका म्हाका दिसता म्हज्या पक्षाक आनीकूय बरे शिक्षक मनीस आय बरे मनीस आय तांकां तरी म्हज्यान दिवपा जाता
फाल्यां प्रसंग पडल्यार तूं सीएम जायनासतना तुगे पक्षांतल्या एका शिकिल्ल्या मनशाक सीएम करतलो
येस तितून कितें आहा तर बाणावली म्हणजे काय तान दिसतील काय आमी ताका बरे लोक मोगान काय तूं म्हणून वळखता कोर्ताली आमचे जिल्हा मेंबर आसा ते अनुपद हाडलेले आमी बायनेली रोड्रिगीस नुया मजीद जालो कुर्तोरी दमणी गांवकार नावेली आवेरतान फुरतात मडगांव म्हाका म्हजी 2-3 येयल्या म्हाजी ओपन करून कितें जाता म्हाका जेन्ना 2-3 जण इन्स्पिरेशन कॅन्डिडेट आसा एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम येस अराउंड 33 कॅन्डिडेट रेडी आसा म्हाका कालांगूट घालतलो तिवी घालतलो आमचे पोरवरी घालतलो सालिगांव घालतलो सगळे घालतलो 7 वर्सांक म्हजी एक करप्शन केस ना पर्सनल म्हाका जाय त्या काँग्रेसान त्रास केले आनी कोणे करूं ना काँग्रेसान पर्सनल जाय त्रास केले
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट मीडिया
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.